In Forza Horizon 6 as of June 10th, there's a new money glitch where you can make hundreds of millions of credits within 5 minutes. What you need for this glitch is the Hummer EV pickup, using the share code on the screen to download this tune. After that, here are my difficulty settings that you need to copy. To do this glitch, fast travel to the festival kilometer. Start driving between 17 and 30 miles per hour. Once you do that, go into reverse and apply about 13% throttle. Once the vehicle is locked into the glitch, leave it alone until you hit the wall and launches you into the sky. After that happens, wait about 30 seconds to a minute. Once you do that, you can open your menu and go to the eliminator and start a game. To complete the glitch, all you need to do is complete a game of the eliminator. The quickest way to do this is to spawn inside of the city and find a race against another person and let them win. After completing the game, you'll be rewarded with your money, which can vary from $100 million to 500,000 up to $999 million. If you're not happy with what you get, you can repeat the glitch as many times as you want. And that's all. Thank you for watching.